day 365 of the 365 daily meditations. Meditation on practicing Buddhism. If as a Buddhist you wish to dedicate yourself to humanitarian work, that is a good thing. Check that your intention is perfectly pure, but nevertheless, social action is not in itself an engaged form of Buddhism if it is not carried out with love and compassion, and if one does not take refuge in the Buddha. This is why you should devote part of your time to practice sessions, during which you take refuge and meditate on impermanence, suffering, and so forth. Meditation on practicing Buddhism.